What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today I'm gonna work on replacing CV axles on this GL450. It's gonna be the front passenger side, and whenever I make the full turn, it makes a click noise, and also it vibrates on the highway. So as you can see here, CV boot is busted right there. Get focus right there. Yes. So yeah, let's get to it. Before you start anything, just make sure you got the right part. Even though you order the correct part, sometimes the shipping team sent the wrong unit out. Okay, so guys, I went to get the axle nut here. We need 36 mil for GL450. So let's work. Alright guys, so my impact driver doesn't work. It's not strong enough. So I just popped the center part out, and I'm gonna use the breaker bar right now. So we put this thing in here. This long, heavy duty breaker. So let's see. Guys, so I have these axle nut out, and now I'm gonna loose right there. All right, so up here, this nut I'm using 13/16, and right down here is T45 right here. Okay, so I have this tool. I bought this for the tie rod end remove, but I think it will work here as well. See from here. See, this is almost out. Right here, just gotta really wiggle this out. All right. Okay, let's go. So, little update here. I loosened this brake pad sensor out so I can have more room here, so I can pull this out this way. So this is the key here. Make sure to remove the brake pad sensor, the bolt out, so you have more room here, so you can pull this whole unit out further. Okay, so with that being said, the thing is out finally. All right. Okay guys, so removing the CV axle from transfer case was just easy. Here, this is the CV axle, and this is transfer case. You get one of these tools here, put here, and push it out. And see, this thing's coming out, and I'm gonna pull this out and replace it with the new one. All right guys, I took out the CV axles out. I ended up losing this support for the suspension. Yeah, so I loosened it, and I gave it a little room like this and took it out. So you guys will see what I did. So I need to slip this a little. Bit here. Put this all the way down. Little bit right here. Put it in. Did you guys see that? You guys didn't see it. Okay, there you go. I slip this in like that. And there you go. That's it. Going in here again. Right there. So I can do it with my one hand right now. So put it in with two hands. Basically, you just need to push this in this way. All right. Now put the new CV axles in. If it doesn't get in, try to shake and push in. Yep. So I put the CV axles in. Everything's lined up. And here as well, everything's good. So from here, everything is just backward. You know, I'm just gonna put this bolt in, tighten them up, and then next this one here, I'm gonna pull them out. And finally, the axle nut. That's it, guys. Have fun.